My name is Blackstar. I'll surpass the power of the god.
Extravulous.
I would say the car is too quiet, but it's not bad. It's not bad. This dude. Dang dog, put a signal light. When you get those tail lights, boy, things are fresh. Things are fresh. You see them pull up on them, pull up next to them. Look at that. What's those like so tough ass, bro. Be honest though. I'm gonna be honest, truthfully honest. I miss being low. Low. Having an exhaust. It sucks not having an exhaust, you know. Makes it ride, you know, more enjoyable. But stock shit is not bad though. I just miss being low. That's me personally. I can be quiet and be low. There's nothing wrong with that, but it's just something about a nice exhaust. Maybe like a little snap, crackle, and pop tune. But yeah, it is what it is. It's gonna be dope though. BQ life, I miss you. But it's all good. It's all good. Lexus life is new. It's not bad. Trying to get some of this sauce.
But don't fuel cut on me. So I got 12 miles.
12 miles? Oh, damn, we are going to the gas station. My bad, G.
Good.
I'm gonna leave you alone.
Damn sure give it to me off the line.
Oh yeah, man, let me go get
it. Give it to me even more. Shit, I don't know.
I'm a little comfortable, tad bit comfortable at the car with the car now.
You got that car dialed in now, huh?
A little bit. I know you're gonna pass me. It's all good. I'm still gonna get that fucking F. What's that? F Sport. What's that?
I'm confused. Is this a Scion?
Oh, he didn't like that shit. Like that shit. And it's like, boy, I'll be damned if you give me the sauce. I'll be damned if you give me the sauce out here in these streets. Oh, cops.
That bitch said 0.
I was like, damn, did I really give you the sauce back there? I was like, I wasn't even in sport mode. I was like,
gas thing started flashing.
I'm not sure what I'm doing. Fuck all this shit. Bro. But when you rolling though, I know I'm not fucking. Somebody's having a bad day. Damn, this nigga got like all the cops in the world on his ass right here. What the fuck? Damn, this man ran out of zip ties. Shame on you. Sauce? Who the hell you handing out the sauce to today?
It should have been you.
Boy, hey, you see what I did? What? Don't let it happen to you. Bro, don't let it happen to you now. Oh, F Sport giving out the sauce today. Who's next? This nigga here. Oh man. Look at the concentration. God damn, this car looks good. Dang, Ryan wasn't playing no game. Okay.
Huh? So this later about done, so I'm trying to think of how to put the bottom of it.
Yeah.
You got no snips?
What's a snap?
What?
What's a snap?
These little things, just little.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm just here to get some content. Shit. Whoa there, guys. This man, like, hey, right here, you know.
Trimming up for the intercooler piping.
Oh, that's what's going on right now?
This is a different bumper than the one that was originally on the car.
Yeah.
So the intercooler keeps hitting the side where the fog light piece would go.
That's why he's sending it. Okay. Makes sense.
Yeah.
And he wants me to hit my car on this thing?
Yeah.
Shit. What the hell? Oh. Make it stop! Oh, shit. Nice.
That is the fight for irresponsible adults.
Dang, I need one of those. Especially when my son gets my keys and he's all like, I want to play with daddy's keys today. At the 100th time of trying to crank it up. Got it there. You say you want to cut it off? You say it'll stop? Why? Oh. The Lexus still gonna give you the sauce. I'm still gonna give you the sauce. Damn, what's better for my fucking Eclipse, a gallon 12 or gallon 13?
It's definitely Skyline. Going to 24.
24? It's cold. We got Matt out here. Sheesh.
What up?
Car's still here. Finally took the wrap off. Dang, turned the record button off, but Ryan's out here. Thought she was cruising with us today, but no.
Yeah, I just want to hit the Oasis. So he was talking about going to the Domain, but I'd rather go well.
Everybody the sauce. That didn't want it. He gave me the sauce though. I take that sauce any day. You know what I'm saying? But don't worry, man. Don't worry. future for you. I feel it. I feel it. Hey, we're waiting on Matt. I think he's buying stuff right now. I would like to say, I mean, you got a lot of potential here. Potential. Got that hood open like you want some back. And by the way, guys, my car is not fast whatsoever. I would like to say it's faster than the G, but I get gapped by stock shit as well. I'm pretty sure some of y'all already know. But before y'all be like, oh man, is your Lexus super fast? Nah, it's decent. It's decent speed. Fucking dope, man. My boy out here getting all the clout. Look at myboy.com. Breaking hella necks. Damn. Somebody out here got that beast. Look at that. Look at that. Everybody looking, bro. Everybody's looking at my boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go follow him at Aunt Trent. Oh, Boosty boy, eh? 392 guy, eh? Oh, 1320, my bad. Oh, them Beamer guys, eh? Go fucking Beamery. Damn, man, was that you? Oh, wait. Yeah, you cover that. God. Yo, hey, nice car, bro. Thank you. Nice car, bro. Oh, my bad. Man, do you see that right there? Wide body M2. Dang. RT right here. Certified. But the R33 though. Oh man. I love those rims. See what they try to do with that paint though. I see what they try to do. It's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. Damn, GTR. Viper sick. Man, you got that thing hella too. Oh man. Look at the hooky. What? I'm so glad I fucking bought this hat. Yo. Dang, is that an R8? Yeah.
Oh, you see that scam pack that got whacked by the front?
Oh, yeah.
That is?
It's a fucking it's a fucking Fiat.
No, it's a Mini, I thought.
It's a Fiat. Shoot, backfire.
It's a fucking Mini. Goddamn it.
Didn't even
God damn, your boy is wilding out here, G.
Hey, 2-step.
Bounce the rev limiter.
He sent me, look.
He's going.
Oh my god. Is that a Mini Coupe? It's a Mini Coupe.
Damn. there before I... And that's tripping. Yo, my boy out here with the hella vinyl. Damn. Man, I thought this was a Lexus when I seen it. Sheesh. It's clean, bro. It's clean. Man. Somebody came out here with a bike. So me and some slidey slide boys. Man, the queues are up here deep as fuck. Okay. Okay. We got the red sport. We got the red sport. They're not fucking around, G. They ain't fucking around. Oh shit. Damn. Those tires on there. He's not fucking around either. I miss my G.
Fuck a nigga up and blame God. Screaming out loud, why God? Hey, that's on God.